Hello my people. In this video we will see how to upload HD video to TikTok. The first and the most important pass is search this in Google. And we have uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options or steps to upload HD videos. The first, enable HD in settings on the final posting screen where you add caption, tap more option and toggle on allow high quality uploads. Step 2, check camera settings. Ensure your device is recording in this quality or 4K. As lower camera settings limit upload quality. Step 3, disable data saver. Go to settings and privacy, data server, and ensure it is turned off. Step 4, use high-speed internet. Uploading HD video require a stable connection, as, for example, this quality or 4K videos are large. Step 5, desktop upload. Alternatively, use the desktop version to upload files up to 13 GB in this quality or 4K, which may offer better quality control. Key tips: file format, use MP4 or MOV files, aspect ratio, use 9:16 for vertical videos to avoid black bars, avoid excessive editing. Re-encoding videos multiple times can reduce quality. And that's all. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time.